One day in October, only a day away from break, Miss Batcher was cleaning. She was snuck up on someone. She was found the following morning dead, with an element in one hand and a compound in the other. Detective Hayden decided to find her murderer.
I was walking around the school around 3 and heard some sort of bang, so I investigated it and found Miss Batcher dead. And her body had started freezing, and then her ice bag she was carrying was melting. Now that.
While cleaning a crime scene with the universal solvent water, Detective Hayden found a clue.
Yeah, I found this note and I knew that they were some kind of marker, so I showed it to the cops immediately so they could try to find the culprit with a chemical change solution. I also felt the mixture of the air feel thick around her. I also saw her boiling water on the stove starting to steam like crazy.
I got to the scene and immediately noticed they left a note. Unknowingly, this led me to the conclusion. I knew there's only 3 teachers there that day, so I figured out each teacher used their own kind of marker. And if you didn't know, markers leave behind a kind of matter that if you use chromatography and a new kind of density analysis, I can tell who it is.
Hayden had found a homogeneous mixture. This was perfect. He could now use chromatography to figure out what happened.
After all this time, even the condensations on the window couldn't stop me from solving this. Another thing I knew was this mixture made a physical change in Miss Batcher, leading me to believe whoever used this is a mixture that sped up the kinetic energy till Miss Batcher died.
The putting of a pure substance into a heterogeneous mixture of physical made chemical and physical changes to Batcher. The main thing to look at is the body temperature was cold, to say the least. And there we go.
Using chromatography, Hayden figured out that the note was made using a marker. Using this, he was able to pinpoint exactly who did it. There you have it. The murder was none other than Miss Sheehan, but unfortunately, her motives are still unknown.
I was walking around the school around 3 and heard
I got to the scene and immediately noticed they left a note. Unknowingly, this led me to the conclusion. I knew there's
Putting a pure substance into... Okay, the stutter did not work. I'm sorry.
Using Hi, Editing Seabass here. My computer turned off mid-video and it made me go widescreen, so that's what just happened. Hi, Editing Seabass here again. My phone decided to die on me while I was recording the first thing, so here is the audio clip from that. Hi, Editing Seabass here. My computer turned off mid-video and it made my screen... Oh yeah, also, rest in peace, Miss Batcher. See ya. Oh yeah, the a final thing. The creators were me, Seabass, as the narrator, Hayden as the detective, Ethan as the witnesses, and Isaac as the forensic scientist.